And welcome back. So we had a lot of cloud cover as we made our way through the first part of the day, but we did turn sunny and the sunshine did actually get temperatures above freezing as most of us were into the mid-30s through the day today. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse, and we did have the sunshine by the afternoon, a few more clouds making their way through into the evening. So here is another fact about the storm that did dump about 13.9 inches of snow. This is the last time North Platte had this much snow in one event. You have to make your way back to 1980, the system that came through March 27th through 29th that put down 19.3 inches of snow, and that was over a 3-day period. Our snow came within 24 hours, all on the same calendar day of January 18th. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region. So North Platte out toward Lexington, Broken Bow into the mid-30s. High temperatures near 30 at Ogallala and Imperial, and Valentine and Thedford into the lower 30s. Here's a look at temperatures across the region. So North Platte is the cool spot with that westerly wind that was pretty light and the clear skies, falling to 6 degrees. It's 10 at Valentine, Broken Bow, Lexington, low to mid-teens out toward Ogallala and Imperial, with the winds falling even further. Right now around 3 to 7 miles per hour, mainly from a westerly direction. So that dry flow is really letting all the heat escape. Same thing for the clear skies. The wind chill values across the region, not much of a wind chill in some areas, but the wind that we do have is pushing some locations below zero, including Lexington at 3 below and a wind chill of 1 below zero at Valentine. Most everybody else between 0 and 5 above for the wind chill, so prepare for that outside. We have mainly clear skies still over the central portion of our viewing area. A few more clouds out toward Custer County, points off to the north, and some clouds just skirting our western counties. We'll have the clouds increase a little as we make our way through the next couple of hours ahead of this warm front that's making its way through. High pressure working its way out. That high and the system that came through yesterday is moving into the northeast. Now, we're going to have a couple of these low pressure systems that are going to make their way through as we go through the weekend and beyond. This one looks to miss us off to the south, but it could bring some snow showers to our southern and eastern counties, especially for Saturday, most of us staying dry. So let's show you what that looks like on the Skycast as we make our way through the rest of the overnight. An increase in the clouds, temperatures actually rising into the lower teens, and then we're going to make it back into the lower 30s as we go through the day tomorrow with partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. And then overnight Friday into Saturday, keep your eye on the bottom of the screen as we do still have, we're on the northern fringe of that snowstorm that's going to hit mainly Colorado and Kansas. So this is 7 a.m. on Saturday, and looks like maybe some areas from Lexington points off to the south could get some snow showers, but for the rest of us, we're going to keep partly to mostly cloudy skies another day with highs in the lower 30s, and temperatures are actually going to be pretty uniform as we make our way through the week. So there's that low missing us off to the south for the day on Saturday. High pressure works in for Sunday, back to partly cloudy skies, and another system could give us some light snow for the day on Monday. We're keeping our eyes on that one. Don't think we're going to have a major snowstorm, but more accumulating snow is possible. Let's take a look at the weekend. That storm that misses us off to the south once again moves into the northeast. A lot of rain into the south, a dip in the jet stream, so we stay on the cool side, but we're mainly dry over the weekend. The rain down at California has shut off. They're a little cool, though. That moisture feed is into the Pacific Northwest right now. So dry and slightly cool for most of us over the weekend. High 20s to lower 30s with a good amount of cloud cover. For Sunday, partly cloudy, 35. We now have some snow showers likely on Monday, a high of 29, and then lower 30s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We just can't warm up, but we will stay mainly dry, just a little cool as we go through next week, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Kent?
Some amazing stats, too, on when the last time was we saw this type of snow that we saw yesterday.
Yeah, it's amazing. This kind of storm happens probably once every 40 years or so.
Wow, all right. Thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, it's been about 3 weeks since Buffalo Bills safety DeMar